If you browse through my channel, you will find every series related to the competitive exam. Series such as synonyms, antonyms, error correction, sentence improvement, preposition, etc. etc. Today's class is not about any series, rather about how to prepare yourself for the competitive exam in terms of English. Here I am going to give you some important tips about how to prepare yourself for the exam. Can you keep your focus on the board? Look through the caption, basic grammar for competitive exam. Here grammar means English grammar. Now look through the first column or first option. Make a habit of reading English daily. So you should make it a habit to read English papers on a daily basis. Reading English paper will develop your vocabulary, will rectify your skills, will rectify your spelling mistakes, will let you know the ins and outs of grammar. So you should not miss reading English newspaper at all. It is very, very important. In terms of important, I have written the 4 options. So the first important thing is to concentrate hard on reading English newspaper. It is importantly important in terms of preparing yourself for the competitive exam. You all are weak in vocabulary. If you are weak in vocabulary, this will help you strengthen your vocabulary a lot. There is another chapter. It is all about spelling correction. So preparing vocabulary by reading English newspaper will also rectify your spelling mistake. That's why it is very important. Now go next. The modern age comes with modern facilities. You can easily use flashcards and word games to prepare vocabulary. Whenever you will mug up a huge amount of vocabulary, it will be difficult for you to remember. But if you can use the words on a daily basis, you can easily remember the word. Here comes flashcards and word games. So if you use flashcard and word games, you can easily use the vocabulary on a regular basis, and once you are able to use them on a regular basis, remembering during the exam time will be very easy. Now go next. Attend only classes. Here only means you need to concentrate a lot on your classes. Only means you can say it is not about offline or online classes. Any kind of classes you should attend. Only classes means online and offline classes. The more classes you will attend, the more confidence you will have. The more practice you will make. So automatically you need to attend more and more classes. Now go next. Solve more and more grammar exercise. You should purchase some book. You should collect some books where you will find more and more exercise related to basic English grammar. The more you solve exercises, the better confidence you will have in the exam. So these are the 4 golden rules to prepare yourself for the competitive exam in terms of English. First, make a habit of reading English daily. Second, use flashcards and word games to remember grammar rules. It will also develop your vocabulary. Thirdly, attend only classes, means online and offline classes. It is not about offline classes only. It is not about online. It is all about classes. That's why I have written only classes. The last option is all about solving more and more grammar exercises to build up your confidence. So these are the rules that you can follow to prepare yourself for the competitive exam. So try to do it from today. You will have a better performance in the exam. Kindly keep waiting for my next class. Till then, have a very good day.